Hello, good afternoon, hydroponicers. Today, Mr. K want to share about the AB nutrient solutions. Okay, first of all, that these nutrient solutions, Mr. already used it for about 1.5, more than 2 years. And then, as you can see in here, this is the growing conditions. This is the bokchoi. And then if you want to see the updated of this bokchoi, you can search my videos on the previous. You can search it. And then today, Mr. will share to you what are the recipes, what are the nutrients inside in our AB nutrient solutions. Okay, you can see that in here in this picture that and there's a A and a B solutions, nutrient solutions, and then inside the A nutrients there are 3 elements that you need to buy or you need to provide, and then we need to measure in each of the nutrients, in each of the elements, how many grams that we need to provide. And then in the B there are about 5 elements that five ingredients. Okay, we call it as ingredients. That we need to provide. I'm not sure whether in your country that have this kind of nutrients or not, but what we have in here, because Mr. is living in Indonesia, so what I bought the nutrients is from the China, and then where the company they pack it. Okay, they imported the nutrients from China and then they repack inside in the Indonesia in here, and then they sell it. So same things that Indonesia haven't have the ability to provide or to produce this kind of nutrients, so they import it directly from China and then they repack it. Later on you will see that each of the pack that Mr. will show it to you, each of the pack that with the what's the packaging, right? Okay, don't forget to subscribe and comments and like. Okay, see you next for the nutrients. Mr. K want to spill about the AB mix or the nutrients of the hydroponics. Okay, before that, Mr. K want to spill about the A and B nutrients. Please take a see of this picture. So in this picture we can see that the A and the B nutrients. The A consists of the kaolin, it's a calcium nitrate, and then the kalinitra. Kalinitra is a kalium nitrate, and then also the Fe ida. Okay, and then the B. The B is a MKP, and then SOP, and then magnesium sulfate, and then Za, and then libero ABMX. Okay, later I will show it to you. So first we will create the A first. Okay, we will create the A first. Okay, let me show it to you. The nutrients. This is the kalinit, and then this is the kalinitra. Okay, kalinitra, and then also the other one is a Fe ida. Okay, Fe ida. Okay, Fe is a parent, and then usually this is a micro nutrients. Okay, so in here the nutrients is consists of macro and the micro. The macro is the kalinit and the kalinitra, and then the micro is the Fe ida. Okay, so the first before that, Mr. K already have this is extra of the kalinitra. Okay, the bowl is already 20, so later on I will add it for more 20. So in here we have to measure for 350 grams. So it's mean that in here later on we have 370 grams. Okay, 370 grams. Okay, let's start. 370 grams. Oh yeah, in here Mr. will make a 5 liter of the AB mix. Okay, the 5 liter of AB mix. So later on we will use the water for 5 liter and then put it inside in the bottle or gallon. Okay, so in here Mr. measure it until 270, and then later on I will add again for another 100 grams. Okay, 100 grams. Alright, so Mr. will use this gallon. This gallon is 4 to 5 liter. Okay, for the 5 liter water, so it can be directly put it inside in the gallon for 5 liter. Later on we put all the nutrients here, and then later on we put the water. Okay, because it will be more easy to measure it up. The reason why we put in a bottle in a gallon for 5 liter, because it will be more easier for Mr. to measure, and then it will be more easy to put it in another bottle, to the smaller bottle. Because if you want to put it in 1 liter, we need to measure for each of the nutrients for 1 liter, and then it will take a long time. So Mr. just put it inside in the 5 liter gallon bottle, right? Okay, so Mr. will put it inside in the gallon right now, and then later on we will add another 100 grams. We measure for the calnate, or we call it the calcium nitrate. The calcium nitrate for 860 grams. Okay, 860 grams. So we start to pour it inside in the bowl. We add the ida for 20 grams. Yeah, for 20 grams. So I think just take it first. Okay, now we'll take a look for the 20 grams. The water that we are using is the AC water, or the air conditioning water. Why we are using this air conditioning water? Because this air conditioning water have the condensations. Yeah, have the condensations, and then the ppm, or the minerals inside in the water, is less. Yeah, so it's less. So the best thing, or the best water that we can use for the nutrients, is the AC water. Right, now we pour inside. So how do we measure it? We just only measure, because the gallon or the bottle is already 5 liter. Yeah, 5 liter of water. So we just pour it until the bottle is full. Done for nutrients A. This is the nutrients A. Yeah, this is the nutrients A. it's done. All right, the second one, we continue with the second one. We want to create the B nutrients. The B nutrients, the first is the MKP. MKP is this type of the nutrients. This type of nutrients is the what we call MKP. Yeah? MKP for 250 grams. And then the SOP is the calcium sulfate. Okay, calcium sulfate. SOP for 200 grams. And then MAGS is a magnesium sulfate. Okay, magnesium sulfate is for the 650 grams. And then ZA. This ZA, I think is the most of the nutrients. ZA, and then the other one is a micronutrients is the repacks. Okay, this will make the nutrients will become green. You can see that in here, inside in the repacks, there are so many of the elements. Okay, elements: boron, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, zinc. All right. Okay, let's start with the MKP for 250 grams. And then again, all the solute will be put in the 5 liter of water. And then again, the water is I'm using the AC water. Alright, this is the 2 nutrients that already been mixed. The nutrients A and the nutrients B. Okay, let me remove this so I can show it to you. This is the nutrients A, the brown color, and then this is the nutrients B, the green color. Okay, let's mix it. Okay, let's mix it. So this 5 liter of water, yeah, 5 liter of nutrients. So how it can be applied or put inside in the hydroponic, just put it the same amount of the A and the B, yeah, and then after that you just measure it with your TDS or the EC. Okay, measure it with the TDS or the EC meter, so to measure it of the minerals inside of your hydroponic reservoir. Okay, you can see that in here. Okay, well, let's mix it again. Let's mix it again. All right. Okay. Alright, this is the end of Mr. Spill the nutrients A and the B. So don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Alright, see you for the next video. Bye bye.